Welcome to SFK Machines. Today, we'll explore some of the most powerful and specialized machines in the world. From excavators and haul trucks to demolition giants, these machines are built to handle the toughest jobs. Let's dive in and witness their incredible power and advanced technology. The Flip Screen WL280. The Flip Screen WL280 is a loader-mounted screening attachment that quickly and efficiently separates materials. With its smart design, it can process soil, rock, construction waste, and compost. The rotating drum-style screen allows adjustable sizing. Mesh changes are simple and tool-free. The WL280 saves time, reduces costs, and boosts productivity. It's an ideal tool for recycling and construction applications. Its rugged build is well suited for tough job sites. The XCMG ET111. The XCMG ET111 is a fully electric, self-driving construction robot designed for tight spaces and urban environments. It features a flexible robotic arm and advanced sensors for precise operations. With intelligent control systems, it can dig, transport, and install materials. Its electric power makes it eco-friendly. Its compact size allows it to navigate narrow paths with ease. This machine represents a technological breakthrough in modern construction. The ET111 is ideal for residential or city-based projects. The Epirock DM30XC. The Epirock DM30XC is a surface mining drill rig known for deep and precise drilling capabilities. It uses modern technology to ensure high performance and safety. Capable of drilling up to 11 meters in a single pass, it's suitable for medium to large mining operations. The enclosed cab is dust and noise-proof for operator comfort. Its smart control system monitors and adjusts the drilling process efficiently. With a robust build, it operates reliably in tough conditions. This is the ideal machine for mining companies needing power and reliability. The Stair SBV 160-2. The Stair SBV 160-2 is a high-performance vibratory compactor primarily used for soil and foundation compaction. It delivers strong vibration to increase soil density without damaging the surface. This attachment can be mounted on various excavators, offering great flexibility. It is easy and safe to operate thanks to its smart control system. Despite its compact size, the SBV 160-2 is highly efficient. It's especially valuable in tight spaces or near residential areas. This is an ideal solution for stabilizing weak soils in construction projects. The MST1000 VDL. The MST1000 VDL is a versatile crawler carrier designed for tough terrains like hills, mud, or snow. With a large payload and strong track system, it delivers materials to locations inaccessible to regular trucks. The cab is built for comfort and operator safety. Its powerful yet fuel-efficient engine enhances productivity. The rotating dump bed allows for precise material unloading. It's ideal for construction, mining, and agriculture. The MST1000 VDL is the perfect solution for harsh outdoor tasks. The Gasho. The Gasho is a grab dredger designed for removing silt, sand, and debris from riverbeds or harbors. It uses a clamshell bucket to lift materials onto the ship or shore. It is ideal for port maintenance, sand extraction, and industrial sludge removal. The bucket can be adjusted for different material types. Gasho works efficiently even in deep or fast-flowing waters. Its energy-efficient design allows long operation hours. This is a powerful solution for large-scale dredging projects. The Mensy Mukm M340. The Mensy Mukm M340 is a specialized all-terrain excavator known for working on steep, uneven, and hazardous areas. Its adjustable legs provide excellent ground grip and balance on inclines. The M340 excels in forests, mountains, streams, or hydropower sites. Its long and powerful arm performs digging, lifting, and cutting tasks. The spacious cab features air conditioning for operator comfort. The machine is powerful yet fuel efficient. It's a top choice for hard-to-reach job sites. The Virock tractor. The Virock tractor is a fully electric tractor designed for efficient operation on modern, eco-friendly farms. Its zero-emission engine reduces CO2 and noise, making it suitable even for work inside greenhouses. The compact yet powerful design performs well in both fields and tight spaces. A modern electronic control system supports automation and improves productivity. The Virock can attach various implements for plowing, tilling, towing, and seeding. Its high-capacity lithium-ion battery enables hours of continuous operation. This is the ideal solution for sustainable agriculture of the future. The Mastenbroel 2015s. The Mastenbroel 2015s is a specialized turf harvester, commonly used in the roll turf industry. It can cut, roll, and stack sod quickly and accurately. Its automatic operation saves time and labor. The compact design allows easy maneuvering across fields. A strong hydraulic system ensures smooth performance in all conditions. The comfortable cab includes air conditioning and good visibility. This is the ultimate solution for professional sod farms. The JCB 560-80. The JCB 560-80 is a heavy-duty telehandler designed for lifting large loads in construction and agriculture. With a capacity of 6 tons and a maximum lift height of 8 meters, it handles tough jobs with ease. Its powerful and fuel-efficient engine ensures productive operation. The cab is safe, comfortable, and offers excellent all-around visibility. A precise hydraulic control system supports smooth lifting and material handling. It performs well both in warehouses and outdoor job sites. This is an ideal machine for any professional lifting task. The Tesmec 147 XL Evo. The Tesmec 147 XL Evo is a crawler trenching machine used for laying pipelines, underground cables, and drainage systems. Its powerful cutter and electronic control system ensure deep, even trenching with high precision. A high-power engine allows continuous operation under harsh conditions. The machine is optimized to work on hard soil or rocky surfaces. An enclosed, air-conditioned cab protects the operator from dust and noise. It also supports GPS and sensors for tracking progress. The 147 XL Evo is a leading solution for modern underground infrastructure projects.